Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about one of the most popular free VPN, which is the Windscribe VPN. Unlike every other free VPN, Windscribe VPN is different because it's almost a premium version of VPN. And why is it like that? Because it uses data, unlike most free VPN we have out there. Now, one of the challenges with Windscribe VPN is that whenever you exhaust the free data they give you, they expect you to buy a plan to continue using it, which may not be cool for some people, or let's say for most people. Now, in this video, we'll be talking about how we can get unlimited data to use our Windscribe VPN effortlessly, without any stress and without any hassles. So without wasting your time, let's get down to business. First thing first, let's head to our Play Store to download the Windscribe VPN. It's already among the search options. Just select it. If you don't have it there, just type it Windscribe and it will pop up. Now this is it. You select and you install. While it is installing, let's head down to our Telegram channel where you can download the second app, which is the temp email app. The link will be in the video description, so select the link to come here and download this very app, the temp email. The reason why we didn't use the Windscribe in the channel is because it might not be compatible with most of the phones. So just head down to Play Store and download the one for your phone. After installation, you open it. This is how the interface look. You have the email address and you have the inbox. That is where all your messages go. So let's go by now, and Windscribe must have finished installing. Open the Windscribe. Get started, because we are creating a new account, so we'll have to use get started. Now this is the interface. This is what you have to do. Just go to your temp email app, copy the provided email, copy, then you go back to your Windscribe, paste it, paste. Now delete everything starting from the @ symbol like this. Delete everything. If not, the Windscribe will not accept the username. And the password you paste again. Click on the eye icon to toggle on the figures. Now change one of the letter to capital letter like this. It can be anything, but there should be one uppercase, else they won't accept the password. Now the email address, paste it as it is like this. Once you are done, you click on continue. Mind you, if you did not use the email address, is optional, and if you didn't use it, you will be given 2 gig. So the best thing, just start up with the email address so that you get the 10 gig directly. Click on continue. Now our account is ready. We close that. Now if you observe, we have 2 gig here, and this is because we have not activated our email address. Let's go back to our temp email. Now you are seeing we have one message inside our inbox. Click on inbox and you open it. Confirm email for 10 gig. You confirm. Once the email is confirmed, you can close it, go back to your Windscribe, and you have your 10 gig available. Now what happens when you exhaust this 10 gig? Once you exhaust your 10 gig, you can no longer connect. They will tell you to go and buy a premium plan to continue using it. What do we do? Now this is what we do. Go back to the app in your app list like this. Let's look for it. This is the Windscribe. You hold it down select option. Every Android has similar process. So what you do is to click on force stop, then look for your storage and cache. Some is just storage. Click on it. Now clear the data, not cache, clear storage. Some you see clear data, so clear storage, delete. Now let's go back to our Windscribe and see what happens. Open the Windscribe. The app is going to reset as if you just install it new. Click on get started again. Go back to your temp email app. Remember, we have already used this very email. What do? Change the email. Click on this button here to change email. Yes. Now you have a new email. Now what do? You copy again. Go back to the Windscribe. You paste. Then like the other time, you delete everything from the @ symbol. Then password, you paste. Change one of the letter to uppercase. Email, you paste as it is. Paste. Continue. Once you've logged in, you go to your temp email again. Look at the inbox. We have a message there. Windscribe. Then confirm email for 10 gig. That is it. Go back to your Windscribe and have another 10 gig. You can repeat this process over and over and over again. If it happens that maybe you get stuck while trying to repeat it, leave your comments. I'll tell you what to do and how to go about it. And if my video is helpful to you, please subscribe and like this video so that when I will drop any content like this, YouTube will notify you. You will not miss of it. Thank you very much.